Welcome back to the how-to channel, guys. We're talking about how to make Instagram Reels like a pro. So what you want to do, okay, is go through some of the settings along the side, all right? The first one allows you to add a song of your choice. So you can add one of these, okay? Now, effects and filters, the trending ones are really good, okay? You've got all the different kind of trending ones. These help your Reels a lot. Okay, if you're looking at all the different ones, you can just go straight for the appearances, straight for the reels. Pick ones that you like that vibe, and obviously trending ones are always good to get your vibes going. Circle with the number actually allows you to change the length of the recording. Okay, this changes it from either 15, 30, 60, or 90, and the 1x allows you to change the speed of the recording. You can have 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, it's super cool. All right, the layout is the layout. Okay, the timer is super cool. The layout's super easy to get with. Timer, you want to go on there. All right, allows you to add the countdown to the recording, even change the length so it stops without you touching anything. That's a really neat trick to have on your reels, guys. All right, the timer. Okay, so change that to whatever you want, play around with this, make some different reels. Next thing we're going to talk about, guys, is the actual front and back facing cameras. So dual is the front and back facing cameras simultaneously working. Okay, that's what the dual setting is. So it means you can use the front and you can use the back. All right, super easy. So if you go on that, you can have a look right now. Go into the gesture control. That allows you to wave at the camera to activate the recording. And then of course, the bottom left corner, you can add pictures from your camera roll. Guys, this is how you make your camera roll on your reels so much better. Like and follow for more how-to videos.